a lemon volcano. The materials that we will use for this experiment that I like a lot will be one lemon, sodium bicarbonate, bath gel, and one ball. Okay, to start, we must make a small cut about the lemon, then juice the lemon. Okay, the lemon juice. Then we put a little bath gel on the hole of the lemon had been broken. Okay, then we add the sodium to the lemon mixture so that this mixture is activated by the lemon juice later. Okay. To finish, we pour the juice extracted from the lemon, and that will make the effect of the eruption. Okay, this is the eruption. It is said that the eruption says that the eruption began when lemon juice mixed with sodium to form carbon dioxide. Finish. Thank you.